10 words a day for beginners. New, new. What's new in the fashion world? I have a new phone. Sound, sound. Did you hear the strange sound? Sound can travel over very large distances in water. Take, take. Please take a seat. Take your time. Only, only. It costs only $5. Sarah is an only child. Little, little. I only have a little time. One little, two little, three little Indians. Work, work. I work as a janitor. I've got so much work to do. No, no. I know his name. Do you know why I am here? Place, place. This is such a nice place. Let's go to the pizza place. Year, year. I was sick last year. I hope everything is okay next year. Live, live. Where do you live? I live in an apartment.